Hello, I'm Ricky Lee, and today on the Watchlist, I'm joined by Kim Thompson, CEO of Kraig Biocraft Laboratories. The company has recently received global attention after its spider silk technology was featured on the cover of National Geographic's March 2026 issue, highlighting advances in the commercialization of bioengineered spider silk, a material long viewed as one of the strongest and most versatile fibers found in nature. Kim, welcome to the Watchlist.
Why, thank you, Ricky.
I'm so glad to have you here. But for viewers who may be new to the company, discovering Kraig for the first time, Kraig Biocraft operates in a very unique area of biotech. Can you explain what the company does and how you're working to commercialize spider silk?
Yes, we're actually one of the very first companies to apply biotechnology to material science. And our focus is on spider silk, which is a miraculous, very high strength fiber. With numerous potential applications. What's been blocking that is the inability of man to produce this material at scale. We have developed a unique production platform, which is now being rolled out into commercial scale and large ramp up. So that's essentially what we're doing.
Amazing. And it's such an amazing feat that you're featured now on the cover of National Geographic, which is a major moment of visibility for any scientific breakthrough at all. So your technology was highlighted as one of the most cost-efficient and scalable approaches to producing spider silk. What does that recognition say about the progress the company's made towards commercializing this material?
Well, of course, that recognition of our predominance in the field has been wonderful. Essentially, though, this was engineered into the design of the platform. We've had a number of rivals who've attempted to go after this potentially lucrative market with alternative platforms, but our platform has proven to be the single best, and there's a reason for that. What we do is we use the domesticated silkworm as the basis for production. We create a transgenic silkworm which produces spider silk proteins in its silk glands to be combined into the silk fiber to make a recombinant spider silk. That makes sense because the silkworm knows how to produce silk proteins and it knows how to combine them into a single fiber. Alternative platforms have used other systems like E. coli bacteria, which really aren't optimized for producing silk proteins and have no spinning capability whatsoever. So it's no surprise to us that after years of work in the laboratory and now in the field, that our technology is shown to be superior. Frankly, we've always known that.
Amazing stuff. But looking ahead then, what are the key milestones investors should be watching over the next 12 to 18 months as Kraig Biocraft continues advancing? What message has Charlotte left in the web?
Good question. So the next 12 to 18 months is going to be, I believe, a tremendous time period for Kraig Labs. We have been rolling out our laboratory platform into the field for production, and we've been optimizing it for that for several years now. Now we're at the beginning of the big ramp up. So we are looking over the next 12 to 18 months to begin seeing metric ton levels of production of spider silk. I think the shareholders and the public should be anticipating potential revenue in that time. And we have not held back on the ongoing molecular biology. We have some things in the pipeline, some new materials, which we hope to roll out in about that same time frame, which are tremendously exciting. So I believe this is going to be pivotal 12 to 18 months for the company. And of course, the single biggest driver of value for our shareholders will be revenue.
That's brilliant stuff. When you find the spider that bites cause superhero strength, call me up first. Thank you so much for your time today, Kim.
Thank you, Ricky. It's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you, sir.
Once again, that is Kim Thompson, CEO of Kraig Biocraft Laboratories. For more on the company's spider silk technology and developments, visit craiglabs.com. That's Kraig with a K. That's all for this episode of The Watchlist. I'm Ricky Lee. Make good choices today.